Folks, we're coming to you from the Virginia Museum of Natural History, and for you folks in North Carolina, this is one of the things that makes us famous here in Martinsville. We've actually got the state museum right here in town. That's something we're all proud of, right?
Yeah, it's great to be here in Martinsville. The community support's awesome all the time, and we love to see everybody out here.
Right. Now, Dino Fest is coming. Now, tell me, for folks that are in Reidsville or Madison, how would you explain that to them?
So Dino Festival is pretty much a two-day dinosaur extravaganza. Is what we call it. So everybody's going to be able to
extravaganza.
Extravaganza. So yeah. So we're going to have a lot of life-size cast skeletons of dinosaurs: Acrocanthosaurus, Allosaurus, Tintantosaurus, Stegosaurus, Triceratops. So some dinosaurs that a lot of people are familiar with, and some that they might not be familiar with. But also we're going to have some life-size cast skulls: Tyrannosaurus Rex, Albertosaurus, Edmontosaurus. Just a lot of different things for folks to see, dinosaur-related. But we're also going to have a lot of dinosaur fossils. So a lot of people don't understand that in the collections behind the scenes where you don't get to see in the exhibits, we have over 10 million specimens in the museum's scientific collections.
Say that again.
10 million specimens. 10 million specimens, and a lot of that is dinosaur material. So we're going to be bringing out a lot of our dinosaur fossils that don't normally get displayed in the exhibit galleries. In fact, we're going to bring out some that our scientists discovered in Wyoming. They go out to Wyoming pretty much every summer. They found a lot. Once again, it's behind restricted access doors. So we're going to be bringing some of that stuff out. So it's never been exhibited before. So some people are going to see some fossils that haven't been seen since they've been excavated from the dirt.
Wow. Did y'all hear that, folks? Stuff that's never been seen. One of the things, Star News folks, you're definitely pretty relevant with that Jurassic World going on. We've been talking about it since it's playing in our movie theater. But I have to admit, Jurassic World probably did more for y'all's business than anything, didn't it?
Yeah, people they get excited when they see the Jurassic World movies. They get really excited about dinosaurs, and of course we have the real thing here, right. As well as life-size cast skeletons. So it's a little bit different. I mean, the movies can be a great form of entertainment, but to actually be able to see the actual specimens, that's something completely different. So
I kind of sense it's going to be full access. You'll be able to speak to the scientists. I mean, probably one of the most accessible days at the museum, isn't it?
Yeah, that's something we pride ourselves on with our science festivals, is the ability to talk to our scientists, learn from them directly, interact with them, ask them questions, and they'll be able to obviously answer your questions, but also hopefully teach everybody a few things or two.
Now, folks, you and Danville, I want y'all to write these times down, because we reach on the Star News region. We're all around the region. Give me the times. It's Friday and Saturday, right?
Right. It's Friday and Saturday, July 22nd and 23rd, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day. So yeah, it's going to be pretty much the exact same events and displays both days. There's going to be a little bit of change up on Saturday. We'll have a few more things to see, but the bulk of everything is going to be available both days.
How much does it cost?
So this is really cool. We'll start off with the actual prices. It's $10 for adults ages 18 to 59, $5 for children and youth ages 3 to 17, and it's free for children under 3, museum members, and members of ASTC passport participating institutions. So the Danville Science Center, if you're a member there, or the Greensboro Science Center, you get into this festival for free. Hey. And one of the really cool parts about this is we actually have free admission for EBT card holders. So if you have an EBT card, it doesn't matter if it's Virginia or North Carolina, we will honor it. All you have to do is show it at the box office, it was with photo ID, and you get into the festival for free.
That's awesome. All right, now I want you to give me some tips before I get ready to go. Give me the best tip. What's the best time to come?
Best time to come. So it usually it's most crowded in the morning. Usually later in the afternoon, the crowd starts to dwindle down a little bit. So if you're not interested in being in a large crowd environment, I would recommend later in the afternoon. But once again, you never really know where the crowd's going to come.
Right. Fantastic. I tell you what, I can't wait. Give me the times and dates just one more time.
Sure thing. July 22nd and 23rd. It's a Friday and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
10 a.m. to 4 p.m. He's saying probably like 1 o'clock. How many hours should I allot to do this?
It really depends. I mean, we've got a lot of different things going on. I mean, we're going to have food trucks out in the parking lot, so you can make a complete day out of it if you want to. Definitely give yourself at least 2 hours to come through this.
2 hours. All right, folks, we like to give you the tips. 2 hours. This is something folks will like across the region. I think you need to mark it down on your calendars. Truly a cool event right here in Martinsville. What's the address, just for folks?
It's 21 Starling Avenue, Martinsville, Virginia, 24112.
21 Starling Avenue. That's pretty easy, too. All right, folks, you're watching Star News. We let you know what's happening.